What's up everybody, it's your girl FitnessWithFlexHers, and in today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make low carb peanut butter cookies. Yes, you heard that right. For those of you out there that are trying to stay away from all those unnecessary sugars that are going to make you gain unwanted body fat, it does not mean that you cannot enjoy an amazing cookie. Alright guys, so let's get started. For ingredients, you're going to need 1 cup of peanut butter. You can use almond butter or cashew butter as well. 3 tablespoons of Splenda or stevia. 1 egg. 1/3 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon. 1/3 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you're also going to need non-stick parchment paper and a baking sheet. If you want to add a scoop of protein, which is also going to make the cookie taste very good, then you do not need to add 3 tablespoons of Splenda. If you're going to add the scoop, then I suggest you only use 1 tablespoon of Splenda or stevia, being that your protein is usually going to add some sweetness to the cookie. I want you to start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're going to start by putting your eggs, your sweetener, your cinnamon, your vanilla, and your protein, if you're going to add protein, into your bowl. You're going to give them a good whisk until all the ingredients are evenly mixed and there are very little bumps. Then you're going to add your butter of choice, whether it's peanut butter, almond butter, or cashew butter. You're going to mix it until it looks like cookie dough. Once your mix is all done, then with a tablespoon, you're going to scoop out a handful and you're going to roll it in your hands very, very gently, creating a little ball. You're going to place it onto the baking sheet until you have no more room. Once your baking sheet is full, then with a fork, you're going to gently press down vertically and horizontally so that each cookie can get flattened, and on top of that, it's going to make the cookies look really, really cute with that design on top. You're going to place the baking sheet into the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Everybody's oven works differently, so please check in on them from time to time just to make sure that they don't burn. Once the 10 minutes are done, your cookies are all done. They're going to look absolutely amazing. They're going to smell absolutely amazing. But I suggest that you give them 10 minutes to cool on the outside, and then you put them into the fridge for about an hour so that the cookie can get more firm. Alright guys, and your cookies are done. They taste not only amazing, they were quick and easy to make, and who said that because you're trying to stay away from all those extra sugars that are going to make you gain unwanted body fat, that you cannot enjoy a delicious cookie. You can have your cookie like this, or you can pair it with some sugar-free jelly on top. Alright guys, stay tuned for next month's recipe because it's going to be just as good as this one. And for those of you out there that are really eager to finding more recipes like this one, head over to our website FitnessWithFlex.com, where you can find my recipe ebook, From Junk Food to Good Food, where I get some of people's favorite cheat meals and I turn them into healthier alternatives. Alright guys, till next time.